a compre kono ho te Kennedy
ne ho den chen Samson
ne ho den pa
o chen Samson
na da be na ode ne bebe fie
a compre ko
yeah
sisi de agire yenhwe kakra sisi de radio so kasa no ono ankasa kase
on kasa radio
yeah oto ne bo asiansa ti obeba sa de onum se
minim se minim pa
minim several times
yeah
ni nua no
yeah minim pa
yeah say young man bi mu manage pa
your friend a young man on patrol your friend is senior man
okay
your friend is senior man senior ba ko pe na dey want to say na usi dey na ko boy nkomo kakra say Ken campaign no Agyapong how is it it is saying
yenka Ghana for asem ne aba ye kan yenka no na yemfa Ken campaign dey e solid what do you say solid
campaign dey solid that form boko
better adesede na me dey me kire Ghana for say won say Ken campaign no ye wo mu nyina ne say Ghana for na nkasa pese
SOMPA FM
ebelidi o man Ghana ema wo na sene be ya MPP fo ni nyina beji atum say Kennedy or a vibrant or you be a or chese is a solid man ye kase yen kan Ghana nipa bi a aboa ekru wi a ye de ne ka ho or ye asset ma Ghana so bi ekru foforo so a ka minim say senior on so ni mo on different way but as aha no say o ye papa 95% na information ba 5% a ye pese ye come from so 5% no e chen 95% na nti yira Kennedy de minim say Onyankopon na nkasa ofa kwan bi si ni no ono a mre ni du a ode ne nsa beto Ghana ni bia akoma so na embo a sese Ghana for the bono no o matimi de bono no abaye o
na oran common na aba bontin as say obi aka say president say we ma go ahead sabre ni 33 say attorney general onye nkrata na intentem no form nko gina asem ne bia
mehu na me katre
me ba to Alex
o man panini ni team no say Ghana for any dan so bo she bebre e na o sheye enti wayade na 33 na ambana Ghana for e dia betu enim say yem prosecutium no na dawroma media medi ma desredi edin kan am de mo man panini say emra oji din bone wo Ghana ha no enipa ba ko a o ma ni din ye basa ebi ye sanwam na ye ma di 10 years no o ka ho no man panin mahama eji din bone man panin ni mo obeye nyina no o ma ye ema o man panin ni din eye basa ba ko ye sanwam nti mesre no se kwan bia so no o momodin se sa maame no obema omode na ba ye se ya sentence no 10 years
yeah
omumanefa
ono ma sentence in absentia no
yes omumfa nembra sisi de memfa ne say na oni abem wa ba abem mu
o ka sedinam tama
eyenim guase o yare de a enye problem but onyare ne nko ade obigu yewura maama nim ase enti ne nyame ya adom ne wanya akwanya no ba omomodin na onye na omayemfa nembra na ansana bibi foforo ho a so omo be prosecuting kofo a yesi uya iweni asempe ansana wetin kan ele wako you be nti ono ni fie ni wo ma enye no onye no ho adwuma ansana wako na ni ha me say om si 33 mi kita 98 mi kita omo e wa ban ma aban ne ma bidi omo nko a aban sika 98 but enne no me hu se omre no se me buy
David kasa
mi kita 98 of appointee
why then
aban sika kodi omo onim say
na David wo ye den na hu se aban sika kodi omo
masa ma menka asa menchiro
me tie pa
say me information am wono wuntimi nya wotwum muntia betin ye pen wuntimi nya onim say enene na nsan ye omo beli wuntimi no Monday no meboa omo beli na na omo kochi friends say bank na okoji se omo friends say
Exim Bank here
yes omo kochi loan officer no so sisi ameka so shemu and won't me call opportunity no shim
sir
yes trust me bili ni na no mo che no na woni me ntie ma e che na o man bili ni da no na won say won't me provide document unse wokoji loan esi loan na wokoji no ese se utia 30%. 30% no. First of all, only loan no $9 million back, $9 million back. Another trend another 9 million. To ni a phone or the coin is about 27 acres to 28,000 acres. And also what tractor say what to we what to new ma just say untumi to in receipt or the comma and call for nani in fake. It's almost detaining.
No, but you can't say sending fake. No, but you don't have that evidence. I don't have the document with me, so you can't speak. No, so you can't speak to that because you have to speak to fact. Make available those receipts for me.
Then tinanka we napo enra napo anka enra so napoko you oko ebiena. Aden ani de na anye didi. Wo se wonya aban wo ba aban mu nko ande a ese se ohun se bibia ebefa wonsam aban ho bia no hu se ye den a wo be account. Enti wakoje aban sika no ojifi Exim Bank omusi you no Agyensam ni we ni achi no sisi America say ono nipa na ohyim no Agyensam credit manager e na ohyim no so what you say you say why abatement of then crime enti ono ka ho e na documents na o provided them ma your friends a bank ni nyina no documents no the companies no ye invite them no mu nyina ba be testify 1111 and say na dey na che yama companies ni na be testify enti o me wa bontin ye dede no o mo kra na ye ha wontumi but untumi in particular ni di onim say they say adena do danger please so what I say ono sa akwa no documents na say wan hwe wan vigilant e na wo ka say no receipt no de ba wato tractor 80 wato tractor say ni nyina ni 30% na wo de ho receipt ni nyina ba no sa receipt ni na fake.
How do you know?
But
remember abem
eno ni nkomo no eno ni ade eno ne ma ye detain ni cheye no nti ye ma
wonya information from Yoko Wana.
Listen to me.
No, I want to find out.
I didn't know
No, because you are using our network to propagate this. And if it is not true, we can be taken on. That's why I want to know.
And you better take you on. Me provide you receipt now.
No, we don't wait. So if you have the evidence, let's see. Let me peruse it.
Ni na wo evidence adu to show news.
Na then America.
Ni wo come out with this is say more evidence. And come be out with the network.
So you can say that Atisama wanted to say, but you don't say you speak to that fact. Sure.
Nti Atisama wo ho ne say. Receipt our digi loan ni nyina na nyina fake. Ya frɛ companies ni nyina 1111 mra wo ho no ya frɛ mu nyina because ya ma wo nkwa abonten na wakɔ freeway. So what I say into omu keep ni nyina na ya frɛ sango for mu nyina be testify say no we documents we man provide enye company ni de buy we enye company ni de buy we enye company ni de buy we enye company ni dia. That's it.
Wow.
Sana omu wie no. Onso omu wie no na e no ma peke your friend say your friend say credit manager enti ye ma obi bela Ghana for say de bia ye ka manyofo ye sa manyofo di esika amanyofo ye say me stand by Citizen Eye Ghana a civil society organization enya manyoko bia dia enye Kennedy dia e wo ho ansa na Kennedy ba o dia say enye amanyoni bia dia but Ghana for say de bia ye mpai bon say e na ban ben ne beba on have runs by won say near ye runs you see JJ sorry na shagari pese what I say bet ya appointing kofo bi wa ban mu a omo na amekufo ado ni meguase what I say ya appointing kofo I appoint you no na ban say na over 98% of appointees mu nyina say you driving mu and na poka na me ka no amanfo fin say akwa no o kasa dodo ade na poti me kan say ono kra no se wanko ho a nanka onim se everyday ni pe ba ho no me se bien na hwa ye ma na omunya ba bi ntina obeko no omu girigina ho for my appointees
sir
take it from me I'm telling you na oma enim ni omo ka no omo ka asem na track masa amanfo bre pass si ame no kasa sisi appointees no ese say ye fancy you Justin Kudua omunwane no monko hu kufuado no ko hu kufuo no monko hu otumfo no mo forma no ntum nyasa ano hye me no ka say the next thing obete if ne ya this we go chief of staff for bag girl wakoji 90 million Ghana cedi from Exim Bank
What's
90 million Ghana. Only ni kuno. Some de koye mufuo. Nya some de kra wo. Na won to me de na wusu. Wo de twen na me ma wo lese a wo betim. Amanfo etifie so wo be kotolese go.
And in some way okay na bien I invite you say you have become a person of interest. And because of that information crowd.
Why Seneda? Why Seneda?
Sini. Sini there.
Sini you work class ni Bob Bine ho unko Seneda.
Charlie Champlain.
Sini. Oh la poma, unim la poma. O me ma sini ni yede.
And 2 year la po.
Me nka se me ma fa me say
2 year we konkonsani.
Me nya konkonsani. Be me chese me your mind bapa. Ye wo kroma ye wura kan Agyapong owura fi se emra ye de Ibrahim Mahama on e kan se Ibrahim Mahama o ka se mra Ibrahim Mahama yi cash over 400 million Ghana cedi ni na checks ni na banso ye je na o ye den ni no ye konkonsani. I'm asking you emra ye wura kan kan se na na do aban mu u ko hu na na do agida u gi sika ansa eno no ye konkonsani. Take it from me. The amount of evidence no ye konkonsani. So Paul Mani ye dia nipa na wa appoint him fancy kufuado appoint you be 8 years went me account to nipa no enti won so a wonim se ya papa ya mo appointment enti won hwe wa appointment na ye dia man se no da bi menya record ato e dia ma daachi meyire memba menuanom me party no enti se udidia to the extent say sisi kohe your friends say baby e dia school for you kon your friends say
they UK one
baby scholarship. So,
I can't assume. Yeah, I think.
And my betting my mom evidence be when this will be blue. It be as our policies here, so you want that you. Morning, every minute, as I saw to me, research I will come be a wouldn't send your work on. O can I baby see? And yes, all become baby now and see, nephew, you be so I wouldn't near work. And
to why our research, we are fully loaded.
Be being with betting as a
Okasaka crown, what should be was a crack on the crowd. I said, and I then the crowd.
Your friend said, opening my son back woman. Make on see, we need documents. Be one documents.
Sir.
You are family. First, I'm to an
and producer on sending mammy. Producer
documents. My own book.
Why
documents? My own book. A friend say, a Greek, you know. A Greek, you know, I'm sending them on. Who's our producer? Now,
producer sending them.
We are page 39. Now we are not page 40. Now we are now here 39 and 40. And
document everything
from Minister of Agric.
From Ministry of Agric.
I'm telling you, a buying document to Brain Champion supply and cocoa 5 billion. Bakukranko, all the system region.
Oh, are you sure?
And I see another way in my country or king. And government.
No. This they will have to verify.
You
will have to, you will have to go to the ministry. Producer TV. Let's fact check. Let's fact check this. Let's fact check this from the ministry. No, I'm not saying that is an information you've put out. But
wait, 2021, 2020.
Yes, and yes, we have to say fact check information now. They are too out.
It's up to you.
So what I say, that makes
Maza. Me na omde tell you nti wo ba busase wo kro me na ofi me fi akem odan aprade ya mecha kokko bia ho kwa me gyan won kokko 56,000 every day omotu nkosua a supply nkosua every day me ko every day e man nkosua 1,800 crate every day 1,800 crate for every day is what I say na o pe 10 million Ghana ye agensa man farmer no ono an isi kan ode ye na watimi atam 90 million Ghana cedi e dia ma oba besia ni kunu abaya ketekete because of my chief of staff. Are you telling me say ye ntine kuruma na nkon za so we see ni be ye high
with all this you are saying sir security agencies no eto womonsa process here say what you are saying on radio, come and give us the information that you have. Would you go?
Oh, how? Say, nobody can frame me.
But speak to the microphone.
Yeah, I'm afraid me. You could frame me. I'm afraid, man. I'm afraid me 3 days, bare 4 days, and sana. Now me got to say, okay, I'm going to Monday. Until Monday, you do, you know. Now, monsieur, Saturday, no petition, I call back, and Sunday, come, you know. Now, monsieur, any panel, near Pessy who answer more your movie. Until once, ma picking the panel. There's no need to say money. I can mount to us.
So you petition the Yoko?
Yes, I petition.
Wow.
Me petition president.
You petitioned the president on this particular issue.
Yes, then copy to the UCO and BNI, National Security, and CID. What is it? Until once I may sign it. Yeah, it's that's it. Meet me and
so you petitioned the Yoko through the president for Chairman Wontumi to be picked up on this particular issue.
One thing they say, me ni minimum. And I'm the command say.
Then I nim.
Say near minimum they say. The be na say almost so near him so anki picking in cap. Me so senka da dina. Kay your tutu na no anki vijano. Ananyeza. Inti say we a gun ni na ufin say party na dan lucha mo so what you say me kai your friend say dubu ahen. Rolling Spark or ye campaign was say akwa we send ye hu si ye mahino me kama bi matu ni din jeje Rollins. Omo enya so mfaso on those time omo bebre ya omo enya sa akonya bi enye sika kese in free party.
So you petition the president in your capacity as what?
As a civil society organization.
As a civil society organization.
Yes, I remember no say
citizenship thing.
Citizen I Ghana.
Citizen I Ghana.
Tax.
What you tax?
This year. Tax
so far, how many petitions have you written to the presidency?
More. You work for the crime petition ya or no one can say to abani ye can the molestation no me steady who near me ma you lose ye me ye who petition the command make me forward in amount then we put it on the screen. We or no one can
for the petition now
ma dispatch rather me you remember my office no the brain no see we tie make a chance or see we tie no be make sure so the Bema party chairman normal way because let me say issue about delegates no a bigger problem. It's because we making sure say or best sort to why Ghana de why you be a Ghana. Emma yenya free education. What about the party or quite then a party in the Bekaino? But delegate issue need a problem. You're too abanu you have quite on fast on the mafia. Kena David. So why you be bia that's the come better party now.
No, we want the proof of it. You can send it to the producer for me to see. You are very important. So you want to say that petitions now, and a petition now, akwakodi yoku nchen. Every year president man pinyin ho akwakodi omunchen. Sa petition now enam so a ntia Chairman Wontumi ekwodi yoku for chair now be 7 days and wo twiri mu no. Wo Alex, wo na trust our petition no.
Ni say me say me ye Ghana.
Until you wrote that petition.
Yes. Say Omaina Yebu, yes, see civil society and Yebu and Amaba.
Sure.
Be any almost civil society, Mrau, civil society, or Mobi and Camibia. Better send Confonso can, not Ghana for no more see, a man your forces you money, a man NDC bar say ya, and PP bar say ya. Ya, Mabun, so ya sorry, say ya, Bebwa, and so I problem.
Only Chairman Wontumi a problem.
No, me no problem.
Do you speak to him?
Oh, my main council.
When did it go?
My main council.
God.
Before, ye call Prime Minister. Ye call Baumia and Ken. Ye 2 years, no, then you brabano. I sit down with Ken 101. Ye call 14 in a Ken call 14. I know Mumpesa Ken, Quaco join Baumia. I'm telling you. Because I say, Papa, ye dear Kufado, but no, when you're 72 years, obey a president. Say, Baumia be 8 years, ye do Babano when you're 71. It's calculated. Ne hunu say ya amwa na eduru ha ne nkofo no bi e mad yen kwa ye ntimi ye nya 37 point something when ye 60 something nti papa dwunye no ye ya kasa ya up to bed 12 something and sana o accept yo o ma me tu mi car me do Kumasi no straight to me fie na mka say Kwame wo pani obi a me hu say oluma abuofu because so de ono na to nse de ono na be fa wo free wo office e wotema e do brain na ado ono ne wotena pre mu ko Canada nti me so free no untumi ma me pake me car no woni fie me pake me ni nice pa me pake me car na me tena ne kebu straight to Bawo me ho untumi kabo ayu afie e na ba ko ka ho no mo ka che Bawo me ase your friend say we yaba na ken kura ba akwa we ya wa ma na ba no we ne ye adwuma ni nyina make Bawo me achia mo say you cost me and I'm saying my Lord see I'm with you Pusakabo.
Or see, you cost me.
Yes.
And as I catch say,
see, my lord, I'm with you now. Send me what come this same about. Timisumi, so media and so cry me kasama about because the policy no now is about 200 and bibisa. You refika and now Yura presidency wabe your friends Yura John Dramani dear on number 400 pages. But me 202 and now bibisa. But me pick bear 5 bioma.
Now the year campaign man.
To say flash rate, you know. Na me need because flight rate in your side when it comes to import no me was outside.
Okay.
Nti me hu say adwinle kita papa no or your masha.
So for now with this petition you know apart from untumi dia o petition ma yoku e ko kire no no what other petition
no my friend that no my friend ti engasa me de ne minimum no minim say enema bebre ankoyi na won hu say de nti na fa no say me de family ento nche ade nti na Exim Bank e friend Exim Bank friend na oma Exim Bank friend o si munim tama campaign ye ansa na mo benya Exim Bank no oma onso no akogi loan wo mo ade nti na eja wuntumi akopeke won so de nkofo to trouble unim nkofo dodo ayafro mu yoko aba wuntumi gezi on ade nti nya credit manager ade nti no o shem sisi amesew me nka say efe ne yekoche ya che no sa na mpesem chiro. So what I say, enti say nye security wo krom ha na ebia ye disappointment enka mo any security be here information to build ne docket wo wankasa wutu say ye bane anka bibia eye ne enim afa ma wo be den wa you show no enti o man bia no me call madam fu bi oye ba ko ye pilot ba ko nso ye SOMPA ba ko nso ye friend say engineer flight engineer because you assume na ne bakona no enua na wo ho no empuro me hu abo we na na mkoso oja wo bakona me pese me ku pro no na akwane se o hemo inside o fejuma ba no hemo back camera and masum o pro na akase o na me wo bakona ho na me bonyina me hwe aboa no na muzan se yawo na ejamo ya o ma ya kase no se nyamo no o mo so ye homeless bia o na no wu ye no ne adenti o mo ba ye ba ko na wo be dam se opuri die you no pru na food doesn't pru ni doso say na abruwa bi so tenu no se wo ku opuri ba ko be dem a chense ne wo twa ni pati nam se wo sa no se hwe no ma mi ba inside no ko chem se hwe ohun bruni no hotel wo no hwe wo so wo so ya atem se wo pese maso ja inside
but I chairman will be but me no be but apart from petition ya which what type petition here for MPP ni bi so ho ana apart from the
Debbie I know a lot but no anya
for public consumption
yeah I know a lot but me can say ye nyina ye se beboa
o minor
ye bebo o minor me ngon wane say MPP a minimum dada no o do size mo time na enti say anti say young mama appointment na yetimi a pick nipa be 98 e wo mra party nti sanana do te wa hwe kene forata yes $58 million o ma appointment 10 billion no what ni dey 6 billion na wa ma contractor ni 4 billion na be ye den na yen fro nti wo yesa no na ugu party no fin say wo wie na dey na wontina
information be na wo dey man
fe na wo buza information
hey arrested
you understand chi ni man na omo dey party no ehunduto edin sida nti hunu say yesan chichire MPP ni foforo dey a omo nkasa nchiro omo nkofo no say ade na omo aye no ma say ye kan say dey wo hu ni say ye try wo be jebi dankofo bi achi a say ye na eti kroma say nyame nkunye na 4 years bi do no then you see it wo be say ye papa yi kan na e more than do
me da say me da say pass by Alex me pato me mama we bisa no Alex sete
mira
hey baron kwan be na odi
you bet me provide documents ni bia ma wa ya mbesibo
hey
I'm telling you enye
mo amu party for the digana boni
na enra na jina me yam hihye MPP ma empenifo ahemafo ye press conference Ashanti region say omofo amahama so say wow Ashanti region
market women kejetia market women
voter region ma betumi aye campaign aye sa we say ye bo mama do abaso ye Akufo-Addo abaso hwe Akufo-Addo nyuma obi ye bebrebe ni nyina mama abaso ko zero mahama ba wodi busan say dwuma ben pa no waya ye hele
economy ni na ekasama no.
That's it.
So as we speak now, inflation grabber 18.4%. What's that?
COVID the buy, me pacho. Masa, COVID the buy ni kroma.
Yeah.
Na plane too. Na business cost. And so na dollar ni jina say. So say on we bia ni jina. COVID time kura plane bia ntu no. Na COVID na eda so jina 16. And nei COVID ko. Na hwe dollar na drop it aba be do
10.23.
Now wo ka kire me say wo aban wo ho no e na wo hyehyɛ to ho e na ambafo
SOMPA
Me that say, Alex. But Ken, ebetimi I win primaries over Brian Agyapong and then
na sa Brian no na some grass to change untumi. Brian dey omon ka so omuyi. Brian no na some grass to change.
But where sure?
I'm telling you, Brian.
You sure?
Na Brian wo kapa. Brian dey do kwawu a. E na oye.
Na man nkasa.
Brian dey do kwawu a na oye Brian. Na Brian ho na nim no. Na wo capacity of Agyapong niam a waye wo kroma no. E na wo kan Brian say wakobeli obi nti oba be yiwi. Brian. Oh, Masa, give me a break.
Also money break na. Over money break na. Come here. David. What rap come here? Then I'll tell you. We must speak to the microphone. Speak to the microphones. We must speak to our microphone.
Citizen I.
Yeah, Citizen I.
One kasa wo kan say wo ho na camp.
You see, play for 2 years.
Okay, so what is it?
The issue is this. I am a citizen I ever ordered that. It's a day na ba yenuano ene enko ya de enye nti NDC
tete no kan no ye ko ye so ye
Alex
honorable Ken na mu preach for honesty and to person o chem say
Alex
I can mention NDC appointees. I am here. Nima bebre ana anu so enye. Edi ne ba ya.
Obi suma mo.
Edi ne ba ya. Enu no mi nua nka ho asem. Esa edi ne ba wan kan ho asem.
But you are MPP communicator.
Me ka say MPP debi. Me ka say me say edi ne ba ya citizen I anka ogude de mun sa se ni nsem ya ho people have document. Edi ne ba wan kan ho asem. E na mi busa.
Me fa petition amaye for
listen to him.
Petition amaye to mama okudeto ono ano se na ban ba na so omo fa plane a obeden o se omo chata plane so na no obeden omo
excellence
enya criminal but there many international community ni na ehwe wa kan asem wo de aye campaign mu ko bo besu mu ko edi wonum asem na okoka ansa na de agibesia o kan wiye no efi wa bamba ya
enti Ken obetime biti Brian ene
no Brian na sa Brian no wonim se ode no be kire keke
oh sa
I say fish aboa wo de wo o be ye kala keke nye no nko Brian ye Brian timinya 5% crowd ticket for me o timinya
me da wase